Hey there, all driving enthusiasts. Gear up, as today we are here to guide you through a smooth installation process of your new CP Plus Dashcam. First things first, take a moment to check the contents of the box. There will be a dashcam, USB car charger, charging cable, and the pry tool. Begin with cleaning the designated area on your windshield and remove any bubbles between the sticker and the glass. Then carefully apply the electrostatic sticker on the designated area. Next, peel off the protective tape from the high temperature 3M tape and paste it on the dotted circle of the electrostatic sticker. Then stick the bracket to the 3M tape part. Use a recommended SD card. Now, take the SD card and insert it into the bigger slot with the contact side facing down. Ensure the SD card is inserted properly. Once you have inserted the SD card, mount the dashcam onto the bracket. Next, run the power cord discreetly along the windshield, A-pillar, and the dashboard. Remember to use your trusted pry tool for a flawless finish. Now, plug the cord into the USB car charger and power up. The dashcam automatically starts when you switch on the engine, and there is a voice prompt.
CP Plus Dashcam is powered on.
This device enters regular recording mode upon power on, indicated by a green light. And in case of vehicle collisions or any jolts, the dashcam enters the emergency mode and automatically records a 1-minute video with fast blinking green light. Sign up and sign in for more security. You can scan the QR code provided in the box to download the CarCam app. Register on the CarCam app to add and access the dashcam. You can register using your email address or mobile number. Then sign in using a password or OTP. Now, open the phone's Wi-Fi settings, connect to the dashcam's Wi-Fi hotspot, and enter the password provided on the backside of the dashcam. You can explore some more wonderful features too. Live view with map. You can view recent event videos and a live map on the live view page. Playback trip with map. You can also playback your journey on a map, along with options to filter different event types such as regular, events, parking mode, and time-lapse mode. You can also download the video from the playback page for the desired time range. In-app feedback submission to submit issues on the go. Facing any issues? Submit your issue directly from the mobile app and get a response directly to your registered email address. Remember, SD card can be formatted through the dashcam itself by pressing the power button 3 times continuously. Regularly back up important information and avoid unplugging the SD card while the dashcam is powered on. Congratulations, you are now ready to hit the road with your new Copilot.